Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our last day of learning for this week. Okay, so what I want you to do right now is I want you to reread the two passages that we read yesterday before we finished our online learning. Okay, so the first one is coral reefs might be saved by new ideas. And then the second one is growing coral in a nursery. Okay, so your job right now is to read those two texts. You can pause this and then come back when you're done. Read these two texts, and then I'm going to go over the exit ticket that you're going to do for this week. So you can pause and go ahead and restart when you're ready. Okay, boys and girls, now that you have read those two articles again, it's time for me to see what you've learned this week. In order for me to do this, I am going to have you answer these questions on your paper and then send me a picture. Now remember, if you don't send me a picture of the learning that you're doing throughout the week, I don't know that you've done it, and so I can't give you credit for doing it, which means you're not meeting expectations. So, for this first part of the exit ticket, you need to write 3 interesting facts you learned about coral reefs. So 3 facts you learned. Then you're going to write 2 ways people can help save coral reefs. You're going to find the answers for these in the last 2 articles we read. And then the last part is just 1 question you would like to ask your teacher. Okay? So right now, make sure that you are working on that piece. You can pause the video here, and these are sentence frames that you can use. So this is for the first 3, for the second 2, and for the last question. So pause this video here and then restart to finish the last part of our lessons. Okay, the last 2 pages for our work this week are just going to be some practice with our phonics skills and with reading skills. Okay, so this is kind of in line with what we were working on with foundations. So you're going to work on some rhyming words here. Find some words that rhyme with arm, words that rhyme with horn, and words that rhyme with core. Then you're going to create a silly story using 5 of those rhyming words, okay? Make sure you give me a nice, funny story, okay? And that is your job for today, okay? Make sure you send me pictures of all the work you've completed this week so that I can make sure that I mark that you've completed it. If you have any questions, please send me a message. Bye, boys and girls. I'll see you next